viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. So let's start reading the book about Kobe Bryant. This is the story of a little boy who would grow up to be one of the best basketball players in the world. A boy who had a passion for the game unlike any other. He is the great Kobe Bryant, and his journey began in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Kobe's dad was a basketball player in the NBA. Kobe started playing basketball when he was only 3 years old and fell in love with the sport. The Los Angeles Lakers quickly became his favorite team when he was growing up. When Kobe was 6, he and his family moved to Italy so that his dad could continue his professional career. This wasn't easy for Kobe. He started out with no friends, couldn't speak Italian, and often spent his time alone. Basketball was all he had. Naturally, Kobe worked hard to learn Italian and eventually made friends in Italy. At 13, Kobe returned to Philadelphia, where he enrolled in Lower Merion High School. Little did we know that the world would soon be greeted by a prodigy who would take the basketball scene by storm. By Kobe's last year of high school, he was known as the best high school player in the nation. Kobe put Lower Merion back on the map by leading the Aces to a state championship in his senior season. Many colleges wanted Kobe to play for their schools, but he took a leap by faith by skipping college and taking his talent straight to the NBA. Kobe was drafted in 1996 and traded to the LA Lakers, giving the young boy his beloved Laker dream. Young and ambitious, Kobe set out to be the best basketball player he could be. Even in his early years, Kobe was compared to Michael Jordan, who was considered by most to be the best player of all time. 1999 marked the beginning of a new era for the LA Lakers, upon the arrival of coach Phil Jackson suiting up with his teammate Shaquille O'Neal. The duo led the team to a historic repeat from 2000 to 2002. Kobe and Shaq emerged as a powerful force, carving their names as arguably the best 1-2 punch in NBA history. In 2004, the two went their separate ways, leaving people to doubt the young star as the new face of the LA Lakers, but Kobe didn't let any negativity put him down. In fact, he displayed some of the most jaw-dropping performances in the following years, including a career high of 81 points, the second highest number of points scored in NBA history. However, he hadn't completely silenced the doubters. People still had their doubts whether Kobe could lead the team to victory without Shaq. Sure enough, Kobe proved his naysayers wrong by leading his team to winning back-to-back championship titles in 2009 and 2010. Kobe was now a championship shy of Michael Jordan. Heat and debates about who was the better player began to spark. As Kobe pursued his sixth title, he suffered a crushing injury that could have ended his career. But the Black Mamba didn't want to leave basketball because of an injury. Kobe went through intensive training before he returned on the court. During his retirement game in 2016, he delivered an amazing 60-point performance before bidding the game farewell. But Kobe's pursuit for greatness didn't stop there. After Kobe retired from basketball, storytelling became his newfound passion. In 2018, his film Dear Basketball won an Oscar for the Best Animated Short Film, a feat that Kobe deemed more remarkable than any of his championships. He was like a superhero who could accomplish anything. Unfortunately, Kobe passed on a helicopter accident in 2020. Today, his legacy continues to live on in the hearts of millions across the globe. Ever since he was a kid, Kobe dared to dream. The love, passion, and never give up attitude wielded to chase that dream were the superpowers that made Kobe a real-life superhero. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!